Hello, I'm Colleen with Woodstream. You probably know Woodstream better by our brands than the name of our company. We have strong brands like Perky Pet, Have a Heart, Taro, Safer, and Victor. Some key points that I want to talk about this year are some brand changes that we've made back in 2018. So we took our Sweeney's brand, which is known for mole and gopher products, and moved it to our Victor brand. We did a lot of consumer research and we did side-by-side comparisons, and consumers really know the Victor brand. They're the same great products, just under Victor rather than Sweeney's. Most of our repellents are OMRI approved. They were under the Have a Heart brand. We have a strong brand with Safer, that is organic, approved for organic gardening. So we took all of our Have a Heart repellents and moved them under the Safer line and moved them into a green bottle, which consumers resonate with being organic and safe to use around pets and kids and vegetables. One of our newest products in the Victor line in the mole and gopher category is our gasser. Our gasser is a little bit different than some of the others that are out there because the top has a quick strike feature. To light it, you don't have to mess with fuses, you don't have to have a lighter, you just simply remove the cap and strike it like you would a match. Also, our gasser has more fuel than the competition, so ours will burn longer, which means the smoke will dissipate further and kill more moles and gophers. The next new product I want to talk to you about is our Top Fill hummingbird feeder line. We have had Top Fill feeders since around 2008. We have also launched in 2008 a decorative feeder line. What we did in 2018 was merge those two lines, and we now have Top Fill decorative feeders. These feeders have a nice wide mouth for easy filling. They all have real feel rubber-like flowers. Each flower has a port that is long enough so bees cannot gain access to the nectar, but hummingbirds can still get to the nectar. Also, the ports are conical in shape, which makes it easier for the birds to feed while hovering. Finally, all feeders have a base that comes apart for cleaning, and that base has a gasket around the bottom so you don't have to worry about nectar leaking out of the seam. We have 7 different styles in varying sizes and colors. Victor is launching a new repellent that is designed for outdoor use. This is a 32-ounce ready-to-use spray that you would spray around your sheds or other areas outside where you don't want rodents to gain access.